do your head spin with all sorts of thoughts? In this video, you will get 3 practical ways to calm them down easily. Hey, I'm Ronja from CCM, where our mission is to help people to a better life mentally and emotionally. One time when I was going through a big grief, I didn't really know what I should do in my life, and I have all this anxiety and thoughts around my head, and different ways like this death for me did play in my head because I was in that situation. Every day I was going for a walk, like 1-2 hour walks, or at least that what seems to people, but almost every time I was like going on a walk for like 40 minutes or something like that. But also I did like go into the woods and take off my shoes and socks and just be there in the middle around the trees where no one really saw me. And sometimes I did not really walk so much. I just went into the woods like normally and I stayed there. And the thing is that when I was in these woods and did have my feet on the ground, I feel really connected to the earth, but I also felt like things get out of my system and I could think more clearer. And even if I still needed to go through some thoughts, they were a lot slower and a lot more clear for me to look at and go through, which made the whole process for me a lot easier. One thing that is a lot easier to do when you're around people or when you aren't really want to move or do anything is to have some thoughts. And those thoughts that mostly helps me, especially when I try to sleep at night, is that where am I and what am I doing? So I am here now, I'm not there. I am doing this now, that is not relevant. So those thoughts I kind of repeat myself a little bit, but mostly it just works that I do it like one time and then it calms my system, and it calms it because you know that when you do think a lot of other thoughts, like from the past or the future, your whole body and system come in this fight and flight mode. So when you take those thoughts and those sentences, it calms the mind off and you get out of that flight or fight mode. The last one is doing activities that makes you feel secure and calm. For me, that is drinking tea, because I won't drink tea if I'm in a real danger. And I have connected myself for a feeling of calmness around drinking tea. So it always helped me and get me like calm. And you can probably find something in what you're already doing from day to day that makes you feel a bit secure or makes you feel a bit calmer, and do more of those activities. If you want to hear me talk about another practice you can use to calm your mind, you can look at this video. It talks about meditation. I hope you really like this video, and take care, and I will see you in the next one.